So tonight we are going to step into networking, and regardless of where you fall on this spectrum, we will help you find the conversations that feel really rich and meaningful to you. Tonight is all about sparking some spam connections, and there is a reason why spam in particular is just soul-sucking, and it's because it lacks one of two things. It lacks alignment, and it lacks trust. This wall over here is going to collect all the connections, the meaningful connections that happen throughout tonight. So what I want to do here is I want to take the conversations from just talking about random questions and curiosities that you might have about one another, and I want to start getting at the issues that you all specifically care about. This is an opportunity. If you were invited here tonight because you are a researcher, an expert in some space, and you're here to really talk about some of those opportunities that you see for where AI can be applied, here's the opportunity for those conversations to start happening. Right now you have in your hand a bingo sheet. This bingo sheet describes different ways in which AI can be applied to create novel solutions. Right? So there are all kinds of different ways that AI is utilized beyond just ChatGPT. And I want you, with your partner, to come up with a solution that uses AI to solve that problem.
AI is a tool that can enable you to see things, to quantify things that traditionally are impossible to do with the human eye.
And we have a whole lot of questions in sustainability all across everything in the university, in Pennsylvania, and beyond. And I'm super excited about what we learned tonight and what is possible.
The type of questions I got, they were actually really intriguing, and things like actually made me also think, this makes sense actually.
I mean, just look at this here. There's a lot of people here that don't know even how it works and just want to use it to make the world a better place, want to use it to their advantage or to the advantage of other people, to the world itself. And it's just, I don't know, it's just amazing to me.